Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. I do have lot of videos related to hauls and reviews. Under haul section, I have hauls for makeup, skincare, hair care, as well as some accessories. Like under accessories, I have footwear, bags, makeup related accessories, you name it, and mostly I have it on my channel. And under the review section, I have lot of reviews for makeup, skincare, as well as some comparison videos that are new launches, or maybe comparison of two different products, like comparing each and every point. So if this is what you are looking out for, then definitely you are at the right place. Please do consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, then definitely you can follow me on Facebook as well as on Instagram. The links of the same will also be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well. Now from the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have got a little bit of idea that today I am going to review all this 6 foundation, that is a 4-in-1 foundation stick from Bella Hoste. Actually these are kept separately or something, but these are all together all 6 shades right now with me. I can just show you. This is 3, 5, 7, then 9, 11 and 13. Basically they have come up with 6 different shades for foundation. They say it is 4-in-1 foundation stick. Now you will wonder how come 4-in-1 foundation stick. So I'll tell you, they have given 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. They have left 2 numbers in between. So even I was confused like you people are right now. So what I did, I called their toll-free number and I checked with them that why the numbering is like leaving 2 or 3 numbers. Why is it so? Then they told me that they are going to come up with in-between shades also in future. But right now they have launched only 6 shades. So definitely they are going to come up with in-between shades also, but that is in the future. Right now the 6 shades have already been launched. Okay, now I'll tell you all the 6 shades name. 03 is Marshmallow, definitely very light for me. 05 is Cool Ivory. 07 is Coral Corn. 09 is Sunlight. 11 is Sand Dust and 13 is Bronzy Buzz. Now what they claim is you can use this sticks in 4 different ways. How? One foundation, second one color corrector, third one concealer, and fourth one for contour. But few of the shades are like you cannot use it for color corrector, you cannot use it as a concealer, not exactly concealer, color that is contour, you cannot use. Like if I go for this light shade 03 Marshmallow, if I use it for my contour, I cannot use because I belong to medium to dark or maybe medium to dark medium skin. Then definitely this shade I cannot use it as a contour stick on my face, that is contouring I cannot use. So basically what they claim 4-in-1, I totally do not agree with that point, but yeah, for lighter skin people or maybe for some other people they can use this as a 4-in-1 stick, but for me I cannot use it. So that is, it's okay, like that is what they have claimed that you can use it. It's not like particular pertaining to one like particular way you can use. They said you can use in any way, whichever way you want to. Okay, now before that if you cannot see anything on my face, that is just because I'm going to swatch all these 6 shades on my face. Then I'll pause the video, I'll come up with the full face of makeup and then I'll give you my full thoughts on this particular stick. I'll do the makeup with this sticks only, but not on the camera because I actually take a lot of time while doing makeup. I'm not pro in makeup, so off the camera I will go and I'll do the makeup and I'll come back. Right, so what I will do is I will just tell you, I've already reviewed the 6 highlighter stick. The difference between the stick, this is 4-in-1 makeup stick, that is what they have written over here. And on this also they have said foundation, concealer, contour and corrector, vocal for local. This is made in India brand, and this is 4-in-1 makeup stick. You all can see this is what basically the packaging is. When you flip the packaging, they say enriched with vitamin E, jojoba oil and shea butter, long lasting, waterproof, dermatologically tested and suitable for all skin type. That is what is claimed on the box. When you flip the packaging, they said where is it is marketed and where it is manufactured and everything. And when you turn again on the last side, that is here, over here you can see each and every details are given. That is the manufacturing, the expiry, the MRP, the shade number and the net content. Net content is 5.5 gram. This is made in India brand, as I told you, and in this you get right now 6 shades: 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. I have got all the 6 shades just to show you. Definitely for me, I can tell from the stickers 11 and 13 I can, 9, 11 and 13 I can make it use, but 3, 5, 7 is not at all useful for me. So what I will do is I will just do the face wash here, and if someone is interested in any kind of sticks and all, just comment down below. I'll make a note with me, so whenever in future I'm doing any giveaway, I'll keep that particular choice in mind, so that accordingly I can, if you people don't mind taking away, because if I am not going to use it, it's going to be waste. And just for the review purpose, I got every shade, and I was aware I'm not going to use all these 6 shades. So now, without blabbering or something, we'll start first 3, 5, 7, then 9, 11 and 13. Like this, I will just take my hair back. I will just keep it this way. I will swatch 3 shades here and 3 shades here. Okay, so just start with the swatches of the shade number 03. You all can see 03. The difference is the packaging. The inner packaging is same as the highlighter stick. As I've already reviewed this particular whole range of highlighter stick. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so don't forget to check. Okay, I'll just show you the outer packaging. This is the highlighter stick, and this is the 4-in-1 stick. This is the highlighter stick. So rest all things are same, only the sticker they have given. So if you have lot of things, then you can keep it in straight way, and from the sticker you all can make out. So this is like the highlighter, it's already reviewed, the whole range. As well as I have already reviewed the orange color corrector also. They have come up with 3 correctors, but I have already reviewed 1 color corrector, like swatching, application and everything. If that video is already up, I'll also link that video also in the up in the I button as well as in the description box. So don't forget to check that as well. This is that color corrector stick. It's already reviewed. So I've just kept it aside, and right now we are going to just swatch this 6 shades. What I'll do is I'll swatch little bit here, small swatch here, and as well as on the face, so you all get the idea. This is the 03 Marshmallow. This is the first. You can use this as peach color corrector. Yeah, definitely. After swatching, I can make out. What I'll do is I'll just swatch it here. This is the first Marshmallow. You can use this as a peach color corrector. So I guess whatever they said is proper. Now we will swatch 05. This is 05. I'll swatch it on my hand also. The first one is 03. This is 05. The next. Okay. This I'll just swatch it on my face now. I don't know whether it is proper or no. This is 05. Okay. The next is 07 Coral Corn. This is 07 Coral Corn. This is what the shade looks like. This is my hand swatch, and I'll swatch it here. Actually, the second one was very close, so what we will do, we will swatch here. So this is the Coral Corn, shade number 7. Alright. like while applying only I can make out they are very buttery. They are not like tugging my skin or anything. 09 Sunlight. Now we will swatch on this side. So 3, 5, 7. Now we will go this way. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. So you will get a better idea. This is shade number 09 Sunlight. I told you na 9, 11 and 13 will be useful for me. This is 9, so we will swatch here. Okay, this is shade number 09 Sunlight. This is without any primer, bare face. So that is why I have not applied anything. Okay, so this is 09. Now we will go for 11. That is, I have not opened this, just wanted to show you. It comes in this kind of plastic wrapping. I'll just open it. Just wanted to show you this kind of wrapping. Okay, so this is 11 Sand Dust. This is the product. If my swatches are not proper, then please excuse me. I'll show you. This is 11 number. Total product you get is this much. Okay, so this is 11. Okay, so this is the next one, and the last one is 13. That is Bronzy Buzz. I guess it is going to be dark brown. From the sticker I can say, but this is shade number 13, Bronzy Buzz. Okay, this is the last shade. You can use this definitely as a contouring shade. This is the last shade. Okay, so now what we will do is, I'll just tell you the shade number because I don't remember the name. 3, let me see if I've kept 3, 5, 7. This is with I think these two are under peach undertones. So if you are willing to peach undertone, definitely you all can go for 5 or maybe on 7. This is, I guess, some neutral cream undertone, not exactly cream, but this is like neutral. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Okay, so 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. And basically, as far as my knowledge is there, I have not seen any kind of undertones. Which kind of undertones will go for what stick? So while like going for the shades and all, shade match and all, please check it properly. Because over here also you cannot directly make out from my face, right? But swatches I have told you, I have shown you. Now what I'll do is I'll just pause the video. If I'm not wrong, I'll use shade number 11 for my whole face. I actually do not use contour because my face is already very small, tiny, so I never actually contour my face. So definitely I will not use the contour shade, but definitely I'll use shade number 11 and I'll apply my full face of makeup and I'll come back. Yes, I've changed my plan a little bit. Now what I'll do is I'll apply one half face with my fingers and halfway with the beauty blender. I'm going to use my ProArtist beauty blender, which is my favorite. And the lipstick, I've just applied the primer which I've applied is the Sugar Primer Base the Glory foundation, Base the Glory or whatever. I'll just show you. It is this Base of Glory. This primer I have already applied on my face and I just kept it let it set for some time. And the lipstick which I applied is this Bella Vossi's liquid lipstick itself in the shade 04 Cinnamon. I've applied that lipstick, so I don't have anything on my face, only the primer, the lipstick. Of course, skin prep is already done. So half face, that is my left hand side, I will try to blend with my fingers because that is what they have specified on the description, and my right side with the beauty blender. And the shade which, as far as I know, because rest all shades are very light, so what I'll do is I'll use the shade number 11 and we will just do the thing. So what I'll do is I'll just keep my hairs a little back. My left side with my hand. Done with the left side. Okay, done with the left side. Now I'll take my favorite beauty blender. Not proper, but okay. Yeah, so you all can see this side I have applied with beauty blender and this side with the fingers. As far as my preference is concerned, definitely I will use beauty blender to blend this. And this is not exactly very creamy or something. This is little bit dry formula as per my liking. So what I'll do is I'll just set my face, I'll just apply a little bit of blush or something, and I'll come back with the final verdict. Yes, I'm back now with the full face of makeup. You all can see this part, my left hand side is with the hand applied and my right hand side is with the sponge applied. Okay, and after applying my foundation, I just applied a little bit of this kind of cheek tint. I generally don't use powder blush and all, but yes, I do have lot of, but I applied this particular lip and cheek tint. Okay, then to set my face, I applied NELF compact powder. For mascara, I used this Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. To set my face, I have applied this Wet n Wild natural finish setting spray. So that is my basically full face of makeup. And for liner, I have used my Purple's eyeliner, which I have already kept inside. So this is like my full face of makeup. My final verdict on this particular foundation stick is this is particular light to medium coverage. Definitely you can build it up, but I basically do not like to go for high coverage foundation. Whatever foundation I have, they are basically for medium to like medium light to like somewhere around medium coverage only. I do not apply heavy coverage foundation. Okay, keeping it to look natural. That is why I do not go for that heavy look. And what else I wanted to tell you? Yeah, the blender side applied a little bit properly. The hand was not giving you proper finish. And second thing, if you have dry skin, definitely like me, then you have to prep your skin very well, because I was feeling this foundation stick a little bit like drier on my skin. So definitely prep your skin properly. Yeah, and I think I have covered each and everything. Just wanted to tell you the final thought, and this is like my full face of makeup, and I don't think there is much difference, but yeah, while applying you can feel the difference. So basically I have covered each and everything, but still if you have anything to ask me, definitely do leave a comment in the comment section. As well as if you are watching till here, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you have any video suggestions, that also you can leave in the comment section. And products will be linked either in the description box or it will be pinned in the comment section, the buying link. So check that as well. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.